My friends, this is the best doner chicken kebab in Thailand. This gentleman works in Pattaya, so I can say the best doner kebab in Pattaya, but that's not fair. This is the best chicken kebab in all of Thailand. 60 baht. 60 baht. This gentleman, right, he's been here for years. And I'm not even going to tell you the location of this because I don't want people coming over here crowding me up. You already have to wait in line for a long time because he's so popular. So I'm not going to tell you where he's at. Maybe I will. Just watch this magic right here. I ordered 4, so he's doing 4 at a time. Look at that fresh vegetables going on first. Going with the onions. Now for many years he didn't have no options. You just gave him a number, but now he's got this menu with options. You can actually get cheese, you can get other options. Innovated it a little bit. Okay, it looks like we're going with the cabbage now. Little carrots. And cucumbers. You're getting basically, you're getting a salad on a pita bread with some of the best chicken you've ever ate in your life. I promise you. And it looks like you're gonna hit it with I don't know if that's a mayonnaise or a secret sauce, but I think we've got the mayonnaise. And what is that? That's ketchup, or I mean that's it might be a sweet sauce. I think it's a ketchup. I'm not gonna ask him about his recipe because he probably don't want you to know. This guy right here is one of the best cooks / entrepreneurs in the world. If he took this little operation right here, and I say little operation, this gentleman's got several of these. So don't think it's little. This is just the brains behind it. If he took this to America, oh my God, you get 10 bucks easy for these. But they're 60 baht, which is, what is that, 2 bucks? Roughly 2 bucks. I'll put it down in the description exactly what it is. But I think in America, I could get 10 bucks a piece for these on a gut truck in the downtown area after the bars get out. Folks, that thing probably weighs 2 or 3 pounds. That is 2 or 3 pounds worth of some of the best chicken you've ever ate in your life. Absolutely delicious. And you know what? When you buy food from this gentleman, you better have your money ready because he's so busy. He don't got time to mess around. times 4, that's 245. So I got 250. You get the 10 back. Don't be sitting here trying to give him big bills. Make sure you got close to the exact change, because this gentleman right here is all about business. Sometimes I used to come here and wait so long that I would go over to that bar and get drunk for an hour before it was ready. That's how many people you're gonna stand in line behind. Because this gentleman right here has got it going on. Bak.
240 baht.
240 baht. Okay, folks, 240 baht. I get this gentleman
Big, big.
250.
Big.
All right, my friend. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Cop on cop. Folks, just take a look at this. All right. I'm gonna back up here with the camera. I'll show you this guy's little stall right here, and I'm not gonna tell you exactly where he's at. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I gotta find my motorbike, and it's not here next to this dog. Oh, shit, it's over there. All right, folks, thanks for joining me. All right, my friends, listen. This is this kebab right here that I just picked up. And I'm gonna say this, this is the best kebab in the world. It's called chicken doner kebab. It's like a burrito, but tastes different. This thing probably weighs 2-3 pounds, I'd say. It's 60 baht. I'm gonna try to tear into it with holding the camera. It's hard to do two things at once. But I'm gonna tell you, this is one of the, no, not one of, this is the best chicken doner kebab that you're ever gonna find in the entire world. Okay? I don't care what country you're in, I don't care if you're in Turkey or wherever you are, wherever you think the best chicken doner kebabs are, this dude's standing on that corner right there in Thailand. And I'm not going to tell you. I was going to tell everybody, but I'm not going to tell you where this guy's at. Okay, he's not hurting for business. You know, when I go up there, I got to stand in line and wait anyhow. And on crowded nights, I'm waiting for a damn hour. So I don't want to tell you where this guy's at. I just want to be selfish on this one. Alright, so let me get this shit in the sink over there. Got a little piece escaping. I want you to take a look at that right there. That is absolutely delicious. This is just a plain guy right here. You can get cheese on this man now. He actually started adding cheese. You know, he's expanded, innovated a little bit, but for years, this dude had no options. You just went up there and gave him a number. You hold up 2 fingers, he give you 2. Because he is so busy making these things that he's got no time for bullshit. So folks, I'm gonna tell you, that is some kind of delicious right there. I'm about to tear into it. But if you really want to know where this dude is, go to my website, send me a message, and if I like you, I might tell you. I'm serious. Sometimes I already gotta wait for an hour for this thing. I don't want the whole damn world to know. Ride over to this guy on a damn motorbike, and then I can't get my kebab when I want to. So I'm not going to tell you the location, but if you send me an email on my website, markblackard.com, go to contact, fill it out. If I think you're a nice guy, I might let you in on the secret of this kebab right here. All right? But if I give you the secret of where this is at, if I tell you the secret, let me just talk to you here. If I tell you the secret of where this kebab guy is at, and I show up over there, and you're in front of me, you better let me cut in the line. All right? I'm not waiting behind you. That's the deal. I'll tell you where he's at, but if I show up, I'm cutting in line. You just got to say, hey, man, go ahead. All right? That's the way it is, folks. Hey, thanks for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, smash that button in the right corner. I think it's down there. Smash that Overstay road sign and become a subscriber. Hope you're having a great day, great evening, wherever you're at in the world, my friends. See you on the next video.